This video is sponsored by Wish. I've known about Wish for years. I always see people buy stuff from there. I see all my friends, Nicole, Jacqueline, all these people buying slime from Wish. And they buy like $1 slime. And the slime surprisingly looks freaking bomb. So when Wish hit me up, I was so excited because I was gonna do this regardless of them hitting me up or not. I've been wanting to get on Wish and buy a bunch of slime supplies. And today was the day, honey. We have everything in front of me. I kind of went in. Wish legitimately has everything. You can shop for slime, you can shop for, I've seen people buy legit wedding dresses on there. You can buy a silicone baby on there. I feel like you can legit find anything on Wish. They're so cheap, and that's because the majority of these products that you're ordering are coming directly from the manufacturer. So you're getting everything really cheap. Download the app, I'll link it down below. It's so easy to use. Like, you see all of these items in there and they're all so freaking cheap. You get lost in the freaking app because everything's so cheap. You're just adding like a million things to your cart. And oh my goodness, I really recommend using the expedited shipping. It's the items that have the little truck icon right next to them, and that means that you're gonna get it really fast. I ordered all of this literally like days ago. I'm sorry, but I went in, I didn't just look at the $1 ones. I looked at everything. There's some of these that are like $1 through like $20 packages. There's a variety of all budgets, honey. I'm just gonna go straight into it. So this is crystal slime, it says. And it's a pack with soda slimes in there. I'll pop up the prices that I paid for these, but you might not get the same prices. It just depends on the manufacturer. There's a lot of manufacturers selling very similar things and not the same thing sometimes. So it's good to get in there and try to get the best deal. And also there's sales going on sometimes, but I'm gonna put the prices that I paid for these. Oh, they are so cute. Wait, I honestly thought that it only came with like 2. I don't know why, but they're little mini sodas. They come with straws. They threw in a little extra. It's a bag of Fimo fruit slices. Oh my gosh, there's just different types of soda. It's so cool. They're not scented, they're actually just putties. They're so freaking cute. They have little glitters in them too. Oh. I think these are just so cute, like the presentation, the packaging is so adorable. I had to get them. Ooh, this one's a clear one. Okay, I love this one. I love clear anything. I love the colors of these putties. They're all so vibrant. Ooh, let's use the straws, put them to use. Okay, that's so cute. They're actually really cute. I didn't know I was gonna get so many of them. Next up we have slime Mellon. Okay, I'm assuming that's the manufacturer. And this is a fluffy slime. Oh snap, hold on. I kind of expected to get a lot of putty-like slimes because they're from manufacturers and stuff. And this is a fluffy slime that is actually very stretchy, and I'm kind of shocked. Really stretchy. And it's actually scented. It smells like peppermint or something. It's so squishy. I can't even explain this texture. I've never felt a texture like this ever. It's like, I don't even know how to explain it. It's super dense, but also super squishy. Kind of reminds me of a flubber type of slime, but when you stretch it out, it's extremely stretchy and almost has like a butter feel to it. Next up, I got this phloem. It comes in a bag. Oh wow, it's stretchier than I thought. Oh snap. Not gonna lie, I'm impressed. I wasn't sure where it was gonna go once I saw that it was in a baggie, but like this is actually stretchy. The color is very vibrant. I'm really impressed with these so far. I like her. Next up, I'm so excited about these. I ordered a packet of charms, and it just comes with a bunch of random charms. And I was kind of shocked because this is actually really good. Like, I haven't opened it, but you can tell it's legit charms. You get like the high quality ones and everything. You definitely get a variety. Oh my, look at the detail in that. Okay, I'm so happy with this one. This one so far, I'm really impressed because this is so good. Like, these are really good charms. So I got some fluffy slime. At first I was like, wait, did I get clay? But it's actually fluffy slime that I ordered. And these are the two I got. It's actually very stretchy. It's crazy stretchy. A lot of these manufacturers, when it comes to butter slime or fluffy slime, a lot of them call it mud. And also a lot of their fluffy slime is very butter-like. This right here reminds me more of a butter slime, but in a good way. Like, it's really stretchy and everything. This is a amazing butter slime, actually. Holy crap. She snapped. Next up, I got, ooh, okay, these I'm so excited about. I got some metallic pigments, and it came with a lot. I was like, oh my gosh, I'm always getting these online and stuff. And metallic pigment is so expensive. It's so hard to find in stores. So when I saw this, I was like, I'm snatching. And it came with so many options. Every freaking color you could think of, it came with. And I am so excited to use these. I love, 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 love metallic pigments. Deep velvet. These are all so pretty. So if you're not into maybe getting slime from someone you don't know, the add-ins are crazy cheap. Like, it's I also got these two. They're the same thing, but I got 2 packs. And these are jelly cube slimes. It comes with packs of 6, which I think is insane. It's like a whole little kit with a bunch of slime in there, which is amazing. So these are all jelly cubes, and they're the colors, I freaking love all the colors. So pretty. Ooh, okay. Oh wow, wait. Oh, honey. I definitely think these are stretchier than the soda ones. So just to give you an idea, like, these are a little on the stretchier side. Ooh, this one's calling my name right here. This clear one. It's so cool how it's clear and has a jelly cube. Ooh, and I see that I actually got a bigger size too. I got one on the side, I'm assuming. I forgot. I got so much stuff. And this one has sprinkles. Oh my gosh, it says, I am living for the beads with a jelly cube. I could squeeze jelly cubes for literally hours. Oh my gosh, they're just so aesthetically pleasing. Like, look how cute these are. I am so excited about these. I got a bag full of clay. So this is air dry soft clay. Oh, these are crazy soft. I feel them. And I love putting these in slime because actually, you know those like really inflating slimes that people make on Instagram and stuff? It's usually a mix of clay. I heard these work really well for that. And it also comes with tools if you were to actually use it like clay. So you can make all these little cute things with it. I mean, it's clay, but you know, your girl gotta use it for slime. I got some little egg putties. Oh my gosh, and they came with so many of them. I actually got 2 different types. I got these, that's why I have these in here, and I also got these. And it came with such cute extras, which I'm actually so in love with. It came with some glitter. We always love glitter. It kind of matches my nails. These glitters are so freaking cute. We love a manufacturer queen that throws in add-ins. I love how it comes out like shaped like an egg. I need to hit these manufacturers up and be like, give me those add-ins like in bulk. Can I buy 10 pounds of them? And the beads. So cute. Oh, this one's like stretchy. Oh, what the heck? Hold on, what's going on here? Oh snap, this one right here, this batch is like really stretchy. Life is like a box of putty eggs. You never know what you're gonna get. This is one manufacturer and then this is the other manufacturer. Oh my gosh. It has scissors in there, like mini scissor sprinkles. So freaking cute. I'm telling you, they got the best extras, the best add-ins over there. Oh, so pretty, so pretty. Something about pulling them out, it's like, ah. Okay. I think we found another one. Honey, what the heck? Look how pretty it is. Oh my gosh. Wish we've snatched, honey. I got some fruit putties, and these have been around for a minute. I have actually owned a lot of these, and I just thought, I was like, I wonder if they're like the same on Wish. I don't know. I mean, honestly, after those egg putties, I don't know what to expect. Not scented, obviously. Okay. It feels like the putties I have, like the fruit putties I have. Okay, like this one. What the heck? This is... Okay, this is what I'm talking about. Like, some of them are like really stretchy. Oh snap, I think this is a stretchy one too. Wow. I got these right here. They came with more female slices, which is so cool. It's basically just a clear slime with female slices in it, and the company's called Slime. Wow. Oh, I love, 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 love clear slime and clear putty. I don't think I want to mess this one up. This is so pretty like that on its own. Oh, actually, I got this one with this package. I got this one. I totally forgot. And this is a bigger container. And it has beads. It has fishbowl beads in there. It has purple fishbowl beads and blue fishbowl beads. And it also has a charm, a mermaid charm. These are separate orders, but they're from the same shop. Wow, this one is like a really nice texture. Wow, this is really pretty actually. Oh wow, it's like when you get a bigger batch of it, the consistency is stretchier. The difference between a putty and a slime is literally just the fact that it's like mass produced. Like if you, like there's people that call Minecraft City slimes putties. Technically, I guess you would call them that, but it's a very stretchy consistency and it's slime. I would say that these are definitely not made with glue. Like they're made with the solution that replicates glue that makes it last longer. So this stuff does not melt. Ooh. Okay, so I'm really excited about this one. This was an avalanche slime and it looks so pretty in the pictures. And what they do is they actually send it to you like this. It has 4 different colors in here. It's for an avalanche slime and they're actually divided so that you can take them out or you can take out the divider. And then you could literally just put it back in. And then the white one, I'm gonna put it on top so that it avalanches. And this is gonna look so freaking good. It's already blending a little bit just by doing that. Let's just mix it. Oh wow, this is actually pretty stretchy. I got this one. It's like really random, but I got a really bright pink slime. Oh, this is a little bit on the jiggly side, but it's actually really stretchy. I just had to get it because it's so bright. I am so excited about this last one. I left it last because it's different colors. It's really pretty. Ooh. Oh, snap. The sizzles on this are so good. A lot of these putties are freaking bomb. My first slime haul on Wish, I'm kind of shocked. Comment down below some links of what you think I should buy on Wish because they have some crazy stuff on Wish and I'm so excited to try some of them. I hope you guys enjoyed this little testing Wish slime products. Bye. Thank you, Wish, for sponsoring this video.